Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can sign up for a Badoo account. So simply go ahead and open your Badoo application on your mobile device, and finally once you have done that, in order for you to go ahead and sign up, you can either go ahead and click on continue with Facebook, and then you can already sign up from Facebook, or you'll have to go ahead and answer these questions. So go ahead and enter your gender first, and then simply write what's your name gonna be on Badoo. So I'm just gonna simply write tutorial for now. And then once you have done that, you're gonna go ahead and enter your month, day, and year. And finally, once you have done that, you're gonna go ahead and enter your email and click on continue. And then I'm gonna click on no thanks. And then you have to allow your device location. And finally, once you have done that, you're gonna go ahead and upload a photo right over here of yours and click on continue. And then go ahead and set a password. And once you have done that, it will ask you for your city or town. I'm just gonna go ahead and write mine and click on I accept. And then click on complete profile, or you can simply tap on maybe later. And then as you can see, you will be signed into your Badoo app. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.